The automotive market is changing faster than ever. Buying and trading used cars from your customers is a big challenge, but it's an even bigger key to success when selling cars. But there are a lot of mistakes you need to avoid. Therefore, we have created the Trade-in app just for you. Now you and your pricing manager can work together online. The Trade-in app allows you to describe any car in front of you, wherever you are. You simply open the app, describe the car and take some photos of it. The pricing manager can now check your description online and start the appraisal, using our market data to compare it to similar cars for sale, sending the right price directly to your phone. Work smart and never make mistakes using Cars2click Trade-in app and market data. Join us and let technology work for you. Available for download at the App Store and Google Play.